about 10 seconds, I'm going to have a recon plane up, and right on the heels of that, I'm going to have another bombing run up, so get you guys in position for push in on the bombing run.
Oh, I got dead blueberry there. Really?
Alright, bombing run's coming in.
It's probably because we are... The game's been really
unit
good.
of a game.
Yeah, I mean, it's
yeah.
flat ass full, 100 players, 6 in queue, and 2 in the VIP slots.
Jeez.
Strafing run's coming in
It's
also.
been like that for about 5 minutes now, too.
Okay, I'm on US.
Smoke out.
Roll in.
See how many kills
We're
I
in
can
Able.
get.
Able. Okay.
Oh my god! These bombs.
Game only has 5 minutes left, so...
We're gonna take it. We're gonna do it. Oh, that's really close.
Must stay dead.
Like in the trench where you are, Lunar, that's where their garrison is.
Oh, okay. So, I'm sorry. Oh, right out in front of you, Morgan. Thank you, Ken.
Guys,
throwing grenades.
commend your lowers.
GG.
Got 132 kills as commander. Thanks for working with me, guys.
Won the game.
Solid.
That's fantastic.
Good job, Em.
Come on, hopefully some people leave.
Commend. That was so good.